Student, now I give lecture on merits and demerits of steam power plants and selection of site of steam power plants. Now we studied about the merits of steam power plant. First one is the fuel used in the steam power plant is cheaper because the coal is used as a fuel in the steam power plant. The second merit is less space is required for steam power plant compared to hydroelectric power plant. Because in the hydroelectric power plant we have to construct a reservoir, dam, and then bend stroke needed. So therefore the space more for hydroelectric power plant, but the less space only is required for steam power plant. The third one is the initial cost is very cheaper in compared to other type of the power plant, diesel, gas. So therefore the initial cost of this steam power plant is cheaper only. The next merit is the steam power plant can be installed at any place because the coal is a fuel, but in the hydroelectric power plant wherever the water is available, that place only we have to install the hydro power plant. But the steam power plant, the coal only is used as a fuel. So wherever you have to install the steam power plant, you have to store the coal in the coal storage. The next merit is these type of the power plants, that is the steam power plants, can be located near the load center only to avoid the transmission losses. Then the production cost of the steam power plant is cheaper compared to diesel power plant. And because in the diesel power plant, diesel is the fuel and then diesel engine is used. Okay, so therefore the production cost is high in diesel power plant, less in the steam power plant. Then suppose the load vary, because the load can be varied in day by day, that means at hours to hour. So therefore if we can change the load, it will not affect the steam power plant. So therefore you have to handle the changing of the load in the steam power plant is very easy only, it's not a difficult one. Then a portion of steam raised in the steam power plant can be used as the process of the steam in the industries. The steam power plant produces stable output only. So this is the merits of the steam power plant. How many merits is there? Totally 9 merits. You have to write down the 9 merits. Under this topic, how the question will come in the VTU exam, list out the merits of the steam power plant. Maximum mark is 6 mark. Then demerits of the steam power plant. High maintenance cost and operating cost. Because steam power plant we are using boiler, steam turbine and then generator, mechanical devices. So therefore that means the maintenance cost is more, and then the operating cost also more. That means workers' salary and then everything comes under operating cost. So therefore maintenance and operating cost is high in the steam power plant. Then after burning the fuel, that means ash also produced, so the smoke produced, noise produced, so therefore the air pollution produced in the steam power plant. So therefore the pollution of atmosphere due to the fumes, residues from the pulverized fuel of the steam power plant. So therefore this is the another disadvantages of the steam power plant. Then huge amount of the water is required for cooling the diesel engine, because the steam is superheated at a high temperature and high pressure. So therefore the temperature of the steam is very high inside the diesel, that is in the steam turbine. So therefore huge amount of the water is required. Then the handling of coal and the disposal of ash is difficulty in the steam power plant. Then the troubles from the smoke and the heat from the plant also we are facing the problem. And then with increase in the operating temperature and pressure, so therefore the plant cost increases, and then it requires long time for the erection. Therefore the operating cost of the steam power plant is costlier compared to hydraulic power plant only, that is the hydroelectric power plant. So this is the demerits of the steam power plant. Then we studied about the selection of site of steam power plant. Before we have to install the steam power plant, some factors to be considered. Okay, so what are the factors to be considered for the installation of steam power plant? 6 factors. The first one is nearness to load center, second one supply of water, third one land requirement, fourth one availability of the load, fifth one distance from populated area, sixth one is transportation facilities. Now we detailedly studied about the each factor. First factor, nearness to load center. Why the steam power plant is located near to the load center? To avoid the transmission cost and to minimize the transmission losses. Okay. Then second factor is supply of water. Already I told the disadvantages. The huge amount of the water is required for steam power plant. So therefore we can consider this factor. The large amount of the water is required. Another thing that means the temperature of the turbine and then come out from the boiler, that means is high only, so therefore water is required. And then cooling the condenser, and then cooling purpose, that's why we are using the condenser. And then carrying medium for disposal of ash. For this purpose only we have to consider the supply of water parameter for the selection of site of steam power plant. The third one is land requirement, because here the coal is used as a fuel for steam power plant. So because of the rate and all, we have to store the coal. So the per day 1000 number of tons of coal is utilized for producing the electricity in the steam power plant. So therefore the coal is stored in the coal storage. If during burning the coal, the ash also produced, that should be disposed to the atmosphere. So for this reason, and then at a reasonable rate only we have to purchase the coal and then store. So therefore the land requirement factor should be considered. The next factor is availability of the load. Okay. Then huge amount of the coal is required for raising the steam producing from the boiler. So therefore the steam power plant is located near the coal main only to avoid the transport of coal and ash. So the low grade of the coal contains 30 to 40% of the ash only. Then this content only, that ash content only can be used for the power generation. Then next factor, distance from populated area. Because here the noise more and then air pollution also happened in the steam power plant. So therefore the steam power plant located away from the populated area only. Okay. And then for generating the power we are using the pulverized coal only. First the coal is unsized, again the unsized coal is converted into pulverized coal. So therefore the fumes produces, residues produces, and then smokes, ash, everything is there. This is not good for health. This is the unhealthy one. So therefore the steam power plant is located away from the populated area. So therefore this factor also we have to consider. Then the final one is transportation facilities. Because the facilities would be available for the transportation of the heavy equipment and fuels. Because thousand number of tons of the coal per day is utilized for producing the electrical energy. And then the equipment, boiler, that boiler rating is heavy, turbine rating is heavy, Okay, the minimum turbine rate 1000 megawatts. So generator also is there. So therefore the transportation facilities should be available. Okay, so these are the factors to be considered before installation of the steam power plant. Students, I hope from this lecture video you clearly understand the merits and demerits of the steam power plant and the selection of site of steam power plant. Under these two topics, how the question will come in the VTU examination, they explain the merits and demerits or list out the merits and demerits of the steam power plant. The minimum mark is 6, maximum mark is 8. Then next you have to explain the otherwise what are the factors to be considered the before the installation of steam power plant. Otherwise, what are the selection of site of the steam power plant? This is the 6 mark question only. Thank you students for watching this video.